Hello, my name is Shane Carlin. I'm the president and CEO of Asian Student Achievement. I founded it in 2016, and we are a 501c3 nonprofit organization to help move Asian and Asian Americans through the pipeline to leadership via three prongs: one-on-one coaching, speaking at colleges, universities, and student conferences on the educational soft skills, and our diversity-driven job board.
It's a great opportunity to learn a little bit more about what it takes to get the job that you want, whether it's through interviewing skills, resume building and workshopping, or just revamping a cover letter to get that job you want. I became part of the ASA coaching program because I feel like I want to be able to share the knowledge that I've gained from being in the professional working environment.
Especially since the transition from being a college student to a young adult just breaking out into the workplace is a huge challenge. Knowing that I have a lifeline wherever I'm at in my career development boosts my confidence in pursuing my career goals.
What impressed me the most, though, about the program was the range of industries represented, ensuring that all students would find a coach of any sort that has experience and knowledge about the industries that they're interested in. I'm genuinely so grateful for this resource, and I would recommend it to any student preparing for life after graduation.
I decided to join ASA so I could get some professional work experience under my belt before college. I also wanted to do something that would simulate internships in the future. This internship has taught me how to work as a team, even if it's globally, and how to better manage my time and stay on top of deadlines.
It has really pushed me to ask for things that I'm actually passionate about. It was through ASA that I realized that I want to pursue a service-oriented work, which has led to me pursuing my master's in library science this fall. If you are looking for a place where you can ask to do any kind of project, ASA is the place to do that, because if you want to get better at writing or design or content creation in general, there are so many opportunities to really push yourself and find something that you really love.
If you want to better yourself as a professional or obtain soft skills, I think you are perfect for ASA.